Hi Scrappers, this is Andrea with the Whole Kit and Caboodle. If you're new to me or new to the company, I'll tell you just a little bit about ourselves. I started working at a little local scrapbook store in 2000, but truthfully, I got my start scrapbooking way before then. I was only 5 years old when I designed my very first scrapbook page, complete with journaling, embellishments, and a title. Fast forward many years later, I started thewholekitandcaboodle.com in May of 2008. Our specialty is pre-designed premier scrapbooking kits. Over the years, I've had the pleasure of working with many manufacturers in the industry, but let me tell you, I'm so excited about this partnership. If you've taken my classes before, you've heard my excitement and me shout the praises of this particular manufacturer. I'm talking about My Colors Cardstock. Check it out. Just as you would take care of the foundation of your house, it's equally important to take care of the foundation of your scrapbooking pages. And by that, I mean take care of your canvas cardstock. The first one might seem a little obvious, but don't store your cardstock near sunlight. The benefit of My Colors Cardstock is that it is true to color every time you purchase it. If you buy mint julep today, it will be the exact same color 2 years from now. But if you store it next to sunlight, that color could fade. So be sure you keep it out of direct sunlight. The second tidbit, something you might not think about. If you're like me, I live in a very humid climate. I'm in Indiana, and in the summers, our humidity can get near 100%. You might think your home is humidity free, but it's not. So if you live in a humid climate and you find yourself struggling to cut your cardstock, what you need to do is make sure you are storing it in an airtight container. Then what I want you to do is take those little silica gel packs, you know, the ones that come like in shoes, and I want you to take that little pack and I want you to slip it in that plastic container. What it will do is it will absorb all of the moisture from that cardstock, making it much easier to cut. If you don't have those silica gel packs, you can actually make your own. Did you know that kitty litter is made from silica gel? What you can do is take a little bit of kitty litter, put it in a little cotton bag, and slip that in your airtight container. If you don't have access to either, no worries. What you can do is take a cookie sheet, place your cardstock on the cookie sheet, and slip it into your oven, 170 degrees for 7 minutes. Voila! The moisture has been taken out of your paper and your cuts will be good to go. I guarantee it. So now are you ready to make your first purchase? Have I told you how much I love this cardstock? Seriously, if you are looking for cardstock, this is what's for you. My Colors Cardstock. Thanks so much for joining me, and happy scrapping. I started the online, I stumbled. I started the wholekitandcaboodle.com. I don't have to say online. .com says that it's online. Let me tell you just a little bit about